In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram grid post in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to set up the perfect canvas, layout guides so nothing important gets cut, place your images and text for a seamless look, and export a crisp file ready to share. First, set up your dimensions so each slice lines up with Instagram's square format of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Think about how many rows you want your grid to span. For a single row, 3-tile panorama, create a canvas that's 3240 by 1080 pixels. For a classic 3 by 3 feet of 9 tiles, use 3240 by 3240. And if you want 3 columns and 4 rows, go with 3240 by 4320. In Canva, choose Create a Design, select Custom Size. Enter the width and height in pixels and open your blank canvas. Picking the right size up front ensures every slice will map cleanly to Instagram's standard square without resizing headaches later. Next, turn on design guides so you can see exactly where the grid will divide. Go to File, then View Settings, and toggle on Show Rulers and Guides. Drag guides from the rulers to mark each 1080 pixel column and row, creating clear boundaries between tiles. If you prefer a visual overlay, open the Elements tab, search for Grid or 3 by 3 grid, and drop one onto the canvas as a temporary reference. Resize it to fit edge to edge, so it lines up with the canvas. These guides help you avoid placing logos, faces, or keywords right on a seam. Now bring in your content. Drag and drop your photos or graphics onto the canvas and scale them using the corner handles. Aim to let important subjects sit comfortably within each square, with breathing room around the edges. If an image spans multiple tiles, zoom in and pan until your composition is balanced across the lines. Add your layered elements next. Place text, stickers, or brand marks, so they flow across tiles for that seamless effect. Keep essential text at least a bit inside the guides and let decorative elements cross the seams. If something needs perfect alignment, use Canva's smart snapping and nudge with arrow keys for pixel-level control. A quick zoom to 100% helps you double-check readability in each square. When you are happy with the layout, download your design as a high-resolution PNG or JPG. Choose the highest quality available to keep lines sharp and colors vibrant. That's it. Your Instagram grid design is ready. Thanks for watching.